Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you where to find in the app the options and features to trade on. So let's go and do that. Now the first thing, you will need to open up the app and then go to the quotes right here. And as you can see, we have this watch list, the first thing that we open. Now if we scroll to the left here, where the watch list is, you will see Discover US. So we need to go all the way to the end next to the crypto and then more. So click on more. And the first thing you will see here is the features. So click on that. And here you have this option like FTC China right here. Click on it and then you can trade on those. The same thing with options. You can select this thing and then go, for example, to change to earn. So you have options right here, and then you can trade. This is Tesla, just for an example. So this is how you can trade options and features on Tiger Trades. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.